Today we'll be talking about ECOs, TDOs, and MDOs. So an ECO is an emergency custody order. That means police can legally detain a patient for 8 hours in the emergency room. This allows time for them to obtain a TDO, which is a temporary detainment order. What a TDO does, it legally allows us to hold a patient for 48 hours. So what happens is the police will go to the magistrate over at Merrifield and they have 8 hours to obtain the TDO. The TDO allows us to do medical testing to medically clear the patient for psychiatric evaluation. Such labs would be EKGs, we do a MET panel, we do a CBC, we get some urine. With a TDO, you cannot force a patient to obtain these specimens. If you absolutely need these specimens, you need to obtain an MDO, which is a medical detention order. A medical detention order is a little bit different than a TDO. It only allows us to hold the patient for 24 hours, and in order to get an MDO from the magistrate, your patient has to be in imminent death or a very dangerous medical condition such as diabetes, or they're at risk for losing a limb. So it's a little harder to obtain an MDO than a TDO. Once we medically clear the patient, the physician has to write in the medical record that the patient has been medically cleared, and this allows us to place the patient at a medical facility such as VHC or LAMPS or another place that allows us to have a psych bed. This could take a little while, so be sure to be proactive and call the community service board and the psych liaison to help out with the patient care.